Today, Alabama's Governor Ivey made good on a promise to end the state's mask mandate, now shifting to a safer apart order, as almost a third of the state's population has received the vaccine to fight the deadly virus. Debbie Williams is joining us live. Debbie, no surprises from the governor today.
No, remember, Cherish, that she told us that she would not extend that mask mandate again, and she made good on that promise. Instead, she's shifting to encouraging people to do the right thing, not requiring them. About the time that she was making that announcement in Montgomery, folks in Gulf Shores were lining up to get their second shot at a drive-through clinic. Most of them glad to get rid of the mask and get back to some semblance of normalcy. One person calling it living again. The governor issuing a new safer apart order that encourages the use of masks in public and around crowds, but it's no longer mandated. This as the number of folks getting the vaccine continues to go up and the number of new infections and hospitalizations go down.
We're finally rounding the corner. And while we haven't whipped this deadly disease just yet, it appears that, thank the good Lord, we're in the home stretch.
Now, State Health Officer Dr. Scott Harris was also at that briefing this morning in Montgomery. He said, we're not out of the woods yet, but everyone is really pleased with where the state is right now as far as COVID-19 is concerned. Back to you, Cherish.
And that is good news, Debbie, but there are still restrictions in place.
Yeah, there are for certain facilities like hospitals, nursing homes, and assisted living facilities. They still have requirements for masks and other COVID screenings in those areas. The governor even saying that she plans on continuing to wear a mask when she's in a crowded area or out in public where she can't social distance. And that's what she's encouraging everybody else to do as well.
And Debbie, the mask mandate isn't being dropped in every city in Alabama. Birmingham, for example. What did the governor have to say about that?
Yeah, so Birmingham as well as Montgomery also extending their local mask mandate for another 30 days. She says she applauds that. She thinks that anything that we can do to get back to that sense of normalcy sooner rather than later is a good thing. Cherish?
Sounds good. Thank you, Debbie.